Okay, here's the video of the hummingbird nest. The bird just flew away. And I'm going to try to go on top and get a video let's see, go like that. I need something like that. So there's see the nest? Those are hummingbird eggs. Alright, I'm gonna come out on the focus. That whole nest is probably 1 inch wide at the top, and I see 3 eggs right there, or 2 eggs I mean. Might be 3. So let's zoom in a little bit. That's at 2-speed zoom. That's at 5-speed zoom. Or maybe it's 1 egg. I'm not sure. I don't want to touch it too much because when she comes back and she smells my scent, she's probably gonna leave the nest or something. But it's pretty impressive actually. I'm having to stand on something so I can get high enough to get a view. So here's the nest right there. That's at no speed, that's at no zoom, and that's right next to the nest. It's probably, I don't know, 1.5 inches wide across of it. So it's pretty impressive. I'm gonna post another video of the hummingbird sitting on the nest. But that's the nest, and you've seen the eggs. Alright, end of video on hummingbird nest with eggs.